Hi students, now I am going to teach 10th standard physics lesson 1 state and prove the law of conservation of linear momentum. Already I discussed, I thought what is linear momentum. What is linear momentum? Product of mass and velocity P equal to m into v is called linear momentum. Moving body having linear momentum, rest body having no momentum. So now prove the law of conservation of linear momentum. So conservation means remains the same. So linear momentum remains the same. That is initial momentum equal to final momentum when the absence of external force. This is called law of conservation of linear momentum. Linear momentum both are similar. There is no change in linear momentum of a system of bodies as long as no external force act on it. The meaning of statement is momentum of the bodies never change till the external force act on it. External force act, momentum is not conserved, changes the momentum. This is the statement of law of conservation of linear momentum. Diagram. So here A, B, so two bodies. Mass of the A body m1, mass of the B body m2. The two bodies travels in a straight line with initial velocity of A body u1, initial velocity of B body u2. This is before collision. During collision, so it's very important condition. Speed of the A body, velocity of A body u1 is greater than velocity of B body u2. So body A collide with the body B. So force exerted Fa and Fe. After collision, the two bodies travels in a straight line, but velocity changes from initial body A u1 to final velocity v1. Initial velocity of B body u2 changes to final velocity of B body v2. So here during collision the two bodies force is exerted Fa and Fe. The two forces are equal but in opposite direction. This is action, this is reaction. So velocity of A body increases compared with the velocity of B bodies. So A body act on B body. Force is exerted. Like that, this is action. B body act on A body. This is reaction force. Force on a body B due to body A, Fb equal to m2 bracket v2 minus u2 by T. That is reaction force. Force on a body A due to body B, Fa equal to m1 bracket v1 minus u1 by T. That is action force. By Newton's third law of motion state that every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So action force equal to opposite to the reaction force. So substitute these two value in this equation. We obtained m1 bracket v1 minus u1 by T equal to minus bracket m2 bracket v2 minus u2 by T. So multiply m1 inside the bracket. So m1 into v1 minus m1 into u1 by T equal to minus m2 into v2 minus m2 into u2 by t. So tt cancel. Next m1 v1 minus m1 u1 equal to multiply minus inside the bracket minus m2 v2 minus into minus plus m2 u2. So rearrange the equation according to the velocity. Final velocity arrange one side, initial velocity arrange one another side. So m1 v1 then minus m2 v2 is bring before left hand side of the equal my plus m2 v2 equal to m2 u2, the minus m1 u1 bring right hand side of the equation equal m1 u1. So this is a total final linear momentum. This is total initial momentum. Total final momentum equal to total initial momentum in the absence of external force. So this is law of conservation of linear momentum.